When a patient does not receive the proper medical care and there is either a misdiagnosis of a condition or a delayed diagnosis of that condition, what happens to them all depends on how long the delay was and how long the miss was until it was actually picked up. But of course, it can run anything from death to needing more and different treatment in order to recover from whatever the delay was in the diagnosis. If it's a delay in catching cancer on a film, it may be too late by the time they capture the cancer on the film. It may be too late to actually cure the cancer. It may have progressed from a stage 1 to a stage 4. So the harm that you can suffer as a result of a missed or delayed diagnosis can unfortunately result in death. If you have received treatment and you're not comfortable with the treatment, if you've not received the answers that you would like to receive, please get a second opinion. Go to another doctor, provide them a medical history, and find out what it is that you may be suffering from. Perhaps you'll get the same opinion, maybe you won't, but there's no harm in getting a second opinion. If you have a misdiagnosis or a delayed diagnosis, we need to get the records as soon as we can and have them evaluated by an expert. And one of the things that we need to do, we need to prove that it would have mattered. If somebody has been misdiagnosed, or if there's a delay in the diagnosis and it's a week or a month, if it's with regard to cancer, it may not have mattered at all. If it's with regard to a cardiovascular issue, it may matter tremendously. So it really depends on the type of diagnosis, it depends on the delay, it depends on the issue that you're suffering from. If you have suffered the result of a misdiagnosis or a delayed diagnosis, or you know that someone has suffer the result of a delayed or a misdiagnosis, come and talk to us at Fulginiti Law as soon as possible so that we can get your medical records, review them, sit down with an expert, find out what exactly happened, and then we can hold those doctors, those hospitals, those clinics accountable.